Vlogmas day 1. I'm going to try to do it again this year. It's going to be a little different. Won't be going everywhere like we did last year, but I'm going to be sharing my day, showing you what I do behind the scenes in my Etsy shop and what goes on in our little town when we try to keep it small. So I hope you enjoy watching every day. I hope I can post every day, but I was gonna film some time lapse and totally forgot to charge my camera. So yeah, and it's very cold here in Georgia today. It's like 32 degrees, and that is not normal for December 1st, but hey, it's 2020. So both heaters are on in the house. As you can see, we live in a yurt. And that's the fun part. So my office is actually in my bedroom during the winter. I have a studio that is out in a building on the outside of our house, a little bit on the property. But it is a little too cold to be out there right now. And it's so humid lately, definitely nothing wants to dry. So my office is back inside. I have my silhouette here, my printer's here, all my supplies. I'll show you a little bit later. But hope you enjoy Vlogmas 2020. I have some new packaging for my orders. These are basically little parchment paper envelopes. I actually made these last night with a Dollar Tree find. I was so excited. This is what I bought. Parchment paper pop-up sheets. I get 3 out of each sheet. So $75 for $1. And they're perfect for packaging my little stickers. I'd been using cellophane. I will use these up probably for like when I do in-person shows and things like that, because I don't want to waste them, but I'm going to try to go to more eco-friendly packaging, and these are so much fun. I threw all these together in like 30 minutes. So when you figure the cost of glassine bags, and you know, I like to make things, so this is not really a chore for me. I use my envelope board to punch the bottom. I'll try to film how I do this one day when I'm making some more. And then I just score them right here, score that fold, and it makes cute little bags. And for the cost, pennies, not even pennies, you know, I mean, it's basically 25 sheets, so 4 cents per bag. Or not even a bag, I get them for not even a penny a piece, a little over a penny a piece. So you can't buy them that cheap, and it saves me so much money. As I said, I can make a batch of 25 in less than 30 minutes, and they're super quick. So yeah, I'll be packaging some orders today. I got some things packed up. I've got a whole bunch that are ready to go to the post office and UPS, and so I've got to get out and about today and head to the post office, and then I have to drop a couple of things off at UPS, which actually UPS, thank goodness, it's easy. It's my local CVS, so I can do 2 things at once. So I'll take you with me to the post office and around town. See you soon. Picked up some additional ounce stamps, 15 cents for an additional ounce instead of putting 2 stamps if you only need an additional ounce. Save you so much money, $3 for 20, and it'll definitely save you money on your packaging. And I love these. Aren't they so cute? I'm back. I got all my errands done. What I forgot to say was that I launched 3 new sticker sheets in the Etsy shop today. This one is Mod Girl. It is a fun fashion plate style sticker sheet. There are 3 watches, 2 purses, 2 pair of shoes, 4 scrunchies, 2 combs, 2 little sunglasses, a jean jacket with a shirt, and a cute skirt. So this is fun, little decorating sheet. This one's called Modern Mandalas. It's just some fun mandalas that I created, and I thought it would be fun to add these to make a sheet with them. I'm thinking about making them, I designed them really big, so I'm thinking about making them into vinyl stickers as well. And then the vintage inspired Jesus is the Reason for the Season little Christmas seals. This is the other one that I launched today. So there's 3 new sticker sheets in the shop, along with all the other ones that are already in the shop. Like we have this Christmas seals, which is Let It Snow and 'Tis the Season to Be Jolly. I have a Bloom and Grow sticker sheet. Sorry, my little post-its on the back. This one has all kinds of flowers and plants and a couple of rain boots. I also have encouraging scriptures, and I put a Bloom and Grow on it. I also put one of the mason jar stickers on that. All of these are available as vinyl stickers as well. Got the God is in Control sticker sheet. I also have a Document Christmas set. I've already pulled out the sample. This is one of them. This is all the months of the year, the days of the week. And where did I put my other samples? Oh, I must have already put them in inventory. Okay, so those are the ones I have, and then I also have a Coffee and Jesus one, a few other ones, and then these little fun vinyl stickers. The Christmas ones I have are the Let It Snow, 'Tis the Season to Be Jolly, and Oh Come Let Us Adore Him, little typewriter. I had so much fun with this typewriter, I decided I'm going to make all different ones with it. Different sayings on it for different times of the year. And then that's the Jesus is the Reason for the Season. This was the sample I did on non-waterproof paper, but it is going to be offered on waterproof paper in the shop. And those are going up soon as well. Totally forgot to watch those when I put them in today. I've had so many things going on. But this is what the rain boot one looks like in vinyl. It's on the other sheets. But yes, I made some cranberry whip with the leftover cranberry sauce that I had made for Thanksgiving. I always make fresh cranberry sauce, and I made a double batch so we could have cranberry whip, and I like it with fresh pecans on top. So that's my little midday snack. It's only 12:30, so I will see you later. Well, my iPad went dead, so I didn't get much done today. It is 4:30, and I'm about to call it a day for work. I might do a little more. I had to go outside and feed all of our animals. I'll show you all that later. If you go back and look at my Vlogmas, you will see from last year, I also knit and crochet. Some of y'all, some of my subscribers are probably here because of my knitting and crochet. I am working on some this year. This is it is a triangular scarf that I make. I had some orders, so figured, it's a good time to sit inside by the heater and work on this one. What I do is I make magic ball, which is all different kinds of yarn, and I make these scarves. And yeah, knitting I can not pay attention to it and do it, but crochet I sort of have to pay attention. But yeah, that's what I'm working on right now. This one is an order. And normally this one's pretty easy. It's a size G, 44.25 millimeter. That's what I'm going to work on tonight. And I might check back in later. If not, I'm cooking potato soup for dinner, and that was my family's request. It is cold still.